Y'all, I'm struggling. Okay. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a minute since I actively filmed, but I'm back. I have a plan. I'm gonna be consistent. We're gonna make videos. It's gonna be fun. I feel like since I last made a video, so much of my life has changed. I feel like I'm just like in a state of abundance. I'm so at peace and like happy. I'm excited to bring you back into my life after my period of healing where I was kind of not really posting. I'm like so pumped about this. So if you couldn't tell by the title, today's headline is a little pack with me video. I've never done one of these, but I love watching them. So I'm so excited to bring you guys along with my packing story about where we're going. My friend is having her bachelorette trip. She's one of my best friends. I'm one of her bridesmaids. She's also my neighbor and we went to the same high school and both live in New York. And she's getting married and we're going on a bachelorette trip to Napa. I have always wanted to go to Napa. It's like a dream destination. My mom is from Sacramento, which isn't too far from Napa, and she's never been. So it's like a huge deal that I feel like that I get to go. Love wine. We are going on this trip in October, which is when the grapes are the juiciest and the bestest for wine. I guess the wine is just the finest at that time. It's like the peak season for Napa. It's just gonna be a really great time to be there. It's a really good group of girls. I'm like so excited for the trip. It is literally 5 p.m. the night before we leave. I'm leaving in 12 hours. I'm a little bit behind on the packing because it takes me a while to pack sometimes. I'm pretty sure we are going to do very well in this packing. I'm just so excited to have you guys with me as I pack. I'm gonna take you through my packing strategy because it's a bit abnormal. My friend Renata, she is also an influencer. You should check out her content. It's super good. She told me about her strategy, which is to make a PowerPoint and put a photo of every outfit in it. So that way when she lands, she can so easily see what's in her suitcase without rummaging through it. And it also has helped me get ready in advance because like I'll start to think like, oh, I might want to wear this dress. I'll just take a picture of it and put it in the PowerPoint a few weeks before. So that way it's not like the day before and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have no outfits planned. So I'm obsessed with this PowerPoint method and I've been working on my PowerPoint for a few weeks. So I'm going to basically show you guys how I do the PowerPoint process and everything that comes along with it. So we're going to start with that. I'm going to go grab my computer and we will be PowerPointing it up. All right, guys. Logging in, I am about to reveal what the PowerPoint is so far and we're gonna work through every little day and make sure it is perfect before we even start packing. That way, when we start packing, it's just gonna be a breeze. I'm also bringing a checked bag even though I don't have that many clothes, so that's gonna make things very fun. So for this trip, the bride so kindly made an itinerary. I tend to make itineraries for my trips now because this just makes it so much easier to stay organized when I'm packing and figuring out what I'm gonna do. I'm really quickly gonna pull up her itinerary. All right, guys, the PowerPoint is going so well, and now I'm taking a break from it. I got two pieces of clothing in today that I've never tried on before, so I'm gonna try them on really quickly and make sure they're good, so I'll show you guys that. All right, this is the first item I'm gonna show you. Drum roll, please. Oh wow, you can't really see. Okay, hold on. I don't know how to make you see my full body, working on my camera skills, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. It's such like a Napa dress. I just can't imagine a more beautiful thing. Love this dress. I think this dress has to come with me. Okay guys, this is the amount of swimsuits I own. It's actually insane living in a city that doesn't even have summer most of the time and you can't go swimming in most of the time to have this many swimsuits, but I try a lot of them for work. I do a lot of articles about swim, so we are well stacked because I have to try all the brands. And I'm starting to pick which swimsuits I'm gonna bring. One of them is like, I feel like at the house when I have a lot of house parties and like go swimming in the hot tub. So I'm gonna bring this like kind of party-esque, flashy swimsuit from this brand called VDM, The Label. It's like a small brand, so that's really cool. And it's like shiny, which I love. So this is my first swimsuit that I'm definitely bringing. We're gonna be there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're gonna be there Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so I'm gonna bring 3 swimsuits, one for each day. It's literally absolutely a mess in here when I get back from this trip, and I have my boyfriend visiting for a week after, so I won't do it when he's here, but when I'm back in my own domain, I'm going to clean out. But I got so much money when I just sold clothes at Buffalo Exchange, so don't sleep on Buffalo Exchange, and yeah. Here's another swimsuit I haven't worn yet that I want to bring. It is a Monday swimsuit. It's super cute. I got it because I was like, what if I'm like at a family event, I want to wear something like more modest, but also it's just like a more covered up one, so if I'm like bloated or something, maybe I'll wear this one. So here's another one, Monday swim. And then I know I want to bring a one piece because if I'm like bloated, that would be nice to have. Okay, but okay, now I want to bring all of them. This one is so cute, it's heart-shaped. If you guys want a tour of my bikini drawer, please let me know. We are going to look for the bottoms of this brown swimsuit. And then we'll bring this brown swimsuit, pink, black, and green. I feel like that's a really good combo. One disclaimer that I didn't mention before, I did my laundry today, so I haven't put my bedsheet back on because it just got cleaned. So don't think I sleep on a bare bed. I am not that crazy. Here we go. Okay, so I started filming again because I wanted to show you the last one piece that is so cute. I've never worn this one either. Of the swimsuits that I brought, I've only worn one of them, and it's the pink one. But I've never worn it. I don't think I've ever worn it swimming, so I'm excited to wear it for the first time. And this is just adorable. I got it for one of my best friends. I haven't seen her forever, and I can't wait to give it to her. And I also have it for myself. And it has a low back. It's so cute. First thing I'm going to show you is day one, and I like to put what I'm doing and then what I'm wearing. So travel day, I'm just wearing a pair of low-rise green pants and a white t-shirt. It's very comfortable, but also looks stylish and not like I am, I don't know. Sometimes you can wear sweats, but sometimes it just like looks horrible, and I just cannot do that. I do not want to land in San Francisco looking horrible. I want to look fresh and clean, so that's why I'm going to wear the travel day outfit. And then our first dinner is our most formal dinner, so I'm wearing this silk maxi dress with a little black sweater tied over my shoulders, which probably will come onto my body because it is going to be a little chilly at night in Napa. The next day, I am going to a cellar tasting and a lunch, so I'm going to wear this printed dress. My friend, when I showed it to her, was like, is that Ola Johnson? It definitely gives off those vibes, and I can't wait to wear it. And then I'm going to wear this gray sweater dress from Retrofit that I'm so excited to wear. It's very warm, so I'm not worried too much about the cold. Okay, so the next day, we're going on a hike, and I love wearing an activewear dress on a hike. And what I'm obsessed with about this active one, they just launched activewear dresses, and I've tried a few activewear dresses, and one of them just like didn't have anything supporting the chest and didn't have any shorts or anything. So when I worked out in it, I just felt a little exposed. I had to wear nipple covers so nothing would show. And this is an activewear dress that you can really work out in, so I'm just vouching for it right now. It also matches my hair really well, so it's gonna look good together, and I'm excited for that hike. And then the dress I'm wearing now, I just tried it on and was like, I need to wear this on the trip. So I'm wearing it on the day that I'm gonna be wearing something for the longest time, which is going to a lunch at Sam's Social Club, and then I'm going to a tasting, and then I'm going to dinner, and we won't go home in between, so I'm just gonna wear this the entire time. By the way, this is by a brand called Cleobella. I just met the designer, and she's so cool. She lives between LA and brings her whole family, including kids, to Bali every year. And she's just like such a cool person, and I love her brand. So Saturday, I'm gonna wear another dress by her. It's a cutout dress. It's so pretty. We're going on a bike tour. It's a very leisurely bike tour. The bikes are motorized. So I'm not worried about wearing a dress on this bike tour because I literally, when I travel, I cannot not wear dresses. Like, dresses are for traveling. That is the time. It makes it so easy to pack, so easy to get dressed. I just put on the dress and I'm out the door. If I had to think about layers for every single pair of jeans and sweater that I have, that would just like kill me. On Saturday night, we're going to have a party at the house and dinner at Gott's Fast Food, which is like a famous place in California. We're gonna grab it's like salads, fries, burgers, like there's tons of stuff. So we're gonna grab food, go home, have a little party at the house. It's gonna be really fun. The PowerPoint is done. We got over the biggest hurdle of this entire packing process, and I'm so thankful that we're done with this. The last thing I need to go through in the PowerPoint is think about any basics I need to bring, what bag, and what shoe I'm gonna wear with each look. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna begin the packing. You guys, I'm so out of breath and tired because I just like ranted at you. I talk so fast, I'm sorry. Snaps though, to me, the creator of this amazing, beautiful, talented, amazing, wow, PowerPoint. I'm so excited about my PowerPoint. It's just so beautiful. It's like a work of art. I'm gonna show everyone I know. All right, give me a sec and we're gonna get back to packing. Okay, but look at this bag. It's so good. Should I bring it? Even though I just don't know how it's gonna fit. It's literally bigger than my head. Twice or 3 times. I don't know how it's gonna fit in my suitcase, but I think I wanna bring it. It's so cute, and I can put my little sweaters in it. Gotta think about it. Rolling up things, they tend to not get wrinkled when I do this, so kind of my strategy for today. swear, Alexa, pause. I swear I am the most fun neighbor to watch from the window. I literally am like always vibing and dancing in here. Like, you guys wish you lived across from me. Alrighty. This dress gave me hell today. It was so tangled. You're coming home with me, but you better behave. I was supposed to take a TikTok of this entire thing that I'm doing and I totally forgot, but you have to choose, and I chose the YouTube fam today. Oh my gosh, I was filming the whole time. Okay, I didn't know that. Because I normally don't shop for loungewear there, but it was good loungewear, and I'm telling you, if you're looking for stuff to cozy up in fall, check out Zara. This sweatsuit is everything. Alexa, pause. I always put my swimsuits in just like a little tote bag that I bring along with me. That way they're all in the same place and they're not like floating around like I can't find the top, whatever. It's all in here. And then when they're wet, I just let them dry out in the sun. Whew. Last item of clothes. Half the suitcase is filled. We got the swim, we got the denim, lounge, every look. It's all in here. Now we're just doing accessories and hair and makeup. And what time is it? It's 6:37, so we're pretty much on schedule with my desire to be done around 7:30. We'll definitely be done before then at this rate. I'm so glad I'm making good time, and that I really feel like because I'm filming it and I have your support, your eyeballs on me, that's why I'm doing so well, so thank you for watching. And this might be a good time to tell you, I'm new to YouTube still. I'm still a small YouTuber. If you like my video, please subscribe to me. I just started a new editing style and I'm really like working on my channel and growing my channel and perfecting it. And if you like this video, let me know because then I'll know to make more videos like this. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I gotta know what you think. It is a mess in my apartment, by the way, because this whole this whole packing thing is taking me out. I got distracted again. I've done nothing since we last spoke, and I'm going to admit it. It's game time. It's 7:10. Let's go. I want to be done. I want to eat dinner. I'm so hungry. I'm going to get on it. It is officially 7:32, and I am all packed. I just went over my list, and I didn't forget anything. And I'm so glad that I'm done. I'm sorry I had to stop filming because I was getting so distracted on my phone, whatever, which is something I really do as a procrastinator when I'm packing. But I'm all packed. I'm so excited for my trip. And now I have to say goodbye to you. Okay, I'm being so cheesy and annoying, but this video is so fun to film. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. It was just... I love a pack with me. I'm really into my packing. I have it down to a science, so I hope my video helped. And I'm a person who travels every other week. And now I just want to say I'm new to YouTube, so please subscribe and hit me with a like if you like this video. I just want to know so I can decide what videos to make. I need a little feedback, and I love reading your comments and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm all packed. I'm heading out tomorrow.